welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. I am about to head off to work, but I got the craving to create a little bit of art before I go. I've taken a couple of days off. You probably know I've not posted much in the last week. Sometimes you just need to regroup and relax, watch a few TV shows and then come back to your art. Today I felt like working on a round piece. So the board I've got is a canvas board. Now normally I would recommend you work on one slightly thicker just to prevent any warping or anything like that. It's a 40cm one, but it's the only one I've got in my art space today, and I really wanted to work on a round piece. The colour scheme I'm going to be working with is mainly the Colour Cottage. I'll turn around so you can see them and I'll show you the beautiful colours. But I do have one Pearlex because I really wanted that turquoise blue. I'm going to be doing a theme of, or tones of purples and blues with a highlight of like a fuchsia colour and silver. So Heather Glen is my deep colour, which is going to have the highlights of Groovy Grape. And my dark undertone for the blue is the Sapphire Blue. The lighter tone I will be using is the turquoise, which is a Pearlex. And then I am thinking of some highlights, which will be blushing pink. The tones work beautifully together, or should do. Let's see what the end result is. And silver mist. So I'm going to try not to use too much silver mist. I'm hoping that the majority is going to be the purples and the blues, and just some really nice colours that will help complement and pop and create a feature, but we'll see. I watched a video this morning by Chris, I want to say Chris Cross. I'll double check and see if that's a name and put it on there. But she's a lady that I watched a lot when I started my resin, and she didn't post for a little while, but she's back posting, and as normal she's given me a little bit of inspiration and got me to get my groove back. So I am coming down and I'm going to give it a go. Make sure you do wear your respirator or face mask when working with resin, and especially pigments like this, because fine particles do go in the air. And I'm going to mix all these in my silicone cup, but I'm not going to do much commentary through this piece. I just want to get into my zen place myself, but hopefully you take a little bit away and we create some amazing art together. So I'll see you on the other side of this. So happy creativity. The resin I'll be using is Amazing Clear Cast. There is a part A, part B, which is the resin and hardener. You mix those together, it's a 1:1 ratio for 3 minutes, and I will be mixing just over 250 ml. So I have just finished working on this piece. I love these colours together. They just work so beautifully. There's a lot of movement. Oh, sorry about the reflection there. And I'm going to have to cover these up to let them set and make sure there's no dust. But look how cute that little thing is there. So yeah, very, very happy. When I was looking at it, I was looking at it from this way. And I'll see how that dries, see whether I need to do a second coat around the edges. It's a bit light, that's because I never did an undercoat. And look at this little cutie. Love him. So I am going to cover these two up, let them dry, and see how I feel about them. But uber, uber, uber happy. I hope you are. It's a very happy piece. And yeah, I'll see you on the other side of curing. Have an amazing day. Okay, so I'm hoping that I am going to catch the vibrancy of this piece. I'm just going to go in and show you some details. I love these colours together. They're just special. I mean, that looks like some kind of, I don't know, like flower or just, I can't put my finger on it, but I just do love how these all work together. So it's hard to go top left or top right because it's round, but as I lean in from the left side, this is some of the detail up close and the colours, how they blend together, and going into those blues with the different tones and silver, and just that little speck of silver going through. So I'll lean the other side now, although I think the reflection's a bit higher, but some of that pigment, the silver, that just comes through, just really just complements it and balances it. But love, love, love how this is come together. And this cute little piece, you can see in here, it's very subtle, but again, I really love it. I love the tones and the feeling. Just the colours alone just make that piece work. So I'm really happy with what these both turned out like. I might just see if I can rotate it a little bit. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, just to see if I actually capture some of the shimmers or some of the vibrancy with different lights reflecting on it. But yeah, love, love, love. And this cute little piece here, yeah, not really helping, had nothing. So if you like my work, remember, thumbs up, subscribe and share. Help me get my art out there, and comments. I love hearing from you and interacting with you, so comments are always welcome. Oh, I've just spotted an eye and a face popping through there. Ooh. It's amazing when your mind does that. But if you do want to purchase this piece, make contact with myself. I am working hard to try and get my Facebook page up and running, where you can purchase them, and my PayPal. But yeah, remember, have the most amazing day, and I'll see you on the next video.